Welcome back, and today we are gonna learn how to make Taiwanese tea eggs. But before we get started, make sure to hit the subscribe button below. We'll be releasing videos on Asian food reviews, Asian food cooking, and even show you simple recipes on how to make your favorite Asian food. So let's get started. First, we're gonna teach you how to say tea egg in Chinese. So the word for tea egg is 茶叶蛋. The word for 茶叶 is tea leaf, and 蛋 is egg. So when you put 茶叶蛋 together is tea egg, 茶叶蛋. So tea egg is a very popular breakfast item in Taiwan. Usually if you go to 7-Eleven, you will find tea eggs selling next to newspapers or the hot dog section or even some steamed buns. It's very, very common. Everyone enjoys it. So we are going to teach you how to make it right at home. So today's recipe, we will be utilizing a crock pot or slow cooker. You can choose to cook it over the stove top, but I would prefer to not leave the fire running for hours. Some main ingredients we will need is obviously the tea. We chose Jasmine tea, and these are just the simple tea leaves that, as we can see. We need actually some tea bags. We chose to use black tea for a darker color. Some eggs. We want to make sure we get white eggs instead of brown eggs so we can get the colors out. There's some spice. We call it ba jiao or star anise. And some soy sauce and salt to top off the flavor. Okay, we're gonna give it a taste. Definitely the tea flavor is there. I haven't had this in so long. So this is how you make Taiwanese tea egg, 茶叶蛋. If you like that video, please make sure to hit the like button. Subscribe also if you want to see more Asian food recipes. Alright, here are the tea leaves. Here's what it looks like on the inside if you're curious.